state of California, you are required to hold a seller's permit and collect and remit California sales tax to the CDTFA if you make 3 or more sales of tangible products within a 12-month period. Now, you're going to be required to do this either on an annual or a quarterly reporting basis. This is going to be dependent on your own unique business, and when you apply for and are granted your seller's permit, the CDTFA will tell you exactly what that reporting schedule is. Keep in mind, you have to still file a sales and use tax report with the CDTFA on your reporting schedule, even if you didn't actually make any sales during that period. They still want to see the report of that $0 amount.
I'm going to log into my CDTFA account. If you do not already have a CDTFA account, then you can either utilize their express login over here on the right-hand side and use the code that they have sent to you with your notification to file your taxes, or you can create an account with the CDTFA. Down here, you're going to select the account that you're going to be filing the report for. Next, select the specific tax return that you intend to file, which is most likely up here at the top. You can see that I have processed a few of my sales tax reports late, and I have paid penalties for that. Sometimes life is just too busy. First, we're going to enter in the amount of total sales. Then below that, we are going to enter in the purchases subject to use tax. This means that if you had inventory that you purchased in the intent to resell and you did not resell it, you ended up converting it to either your own business use or personal use, then you must claim that here because you will be taxed on it. Additionally, you're going to be asked for any sales of business assets, fixtures, and furnitures that are associated with your business. Next, you'll enter in any sales at fairgrounds, and then this is going to be followed by non-taxable sales, which are going to be deducted from the amount of sales tax that you owe. And this is going to include sales to other retailers intended for resale, non-taxable sale of food products, non-taxable labor such as repair or installation, sales to the United States government, sales in interstate or foreign commerce, and sales tax that was included in your total sales reported. This is going to be the line item that many of you will enter in here. If you collected sales tax and that was included in your total amount of sales, make sure you enter in the amount of sales tax that was collected right here. This way, you will not be paying sales tax on your sales tax. Next, you're going to be allocating your amount of sales to the particular district where you made those sales. Now, if you're like me and you accidentally made a little error this time around and you inputted the wrong amount of sales tax in one of your invoices, then you are going to have an excess of sales tax, meaning that you collected more than you actually are supposed to pay. The CDTFA is going to have you remit and send over to them all that excess tax. Most likely, you will not see this screen on your own tax filing unless you made the same error. Next, you're going to see a summary screen followed by a screen to input your information. You're going to be asked if you're a paid preparer, so unless you are a paid professional tax filer, in which case you would not be watching this video, then you're going to click no. Next, click submit, and then you're going to be taken to this confirmation screen agreeing to these submission terms. Following this, you're going to see your confirmation here, and then you're going to see a series of options down below. The first option is the option that you will want to click on right away, which is make a payment. Here you will be able to either pay immediately or schedule your payment using a credit card, a debit card, a transfer, and you can schedule it to occur in the future. Lastly, you will want to make sure that you open this as a PDF and save a copy of the confirmation so that you have it for your business records.